I'm going to attempt to fix this granny square. It's part of a blanket that was made from a friend. There's a memory blanket for her son, so it's really special. I need to be quite careful because it's unravelled. The person that made it as part of Woolly Hugs didn't tie off each round with a long enough end, so you can see that it's not got enough yarn there to keep it secure. So I'm gonna have a try at fixing it. I've put some stitch markers in to secure the stitches so they don't unravel any further. So what I'm going to try and do is take the yarn from each round and, starting from the centre, join it into the previous round and then find some way of joining it to the row above. Wish me luck!